Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Aroid, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to create Golden Hoe in Minecraft. So you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. So you need to do you must have crafting table, 2 gold and 2 sticks. And now you must enter in crafting. Now you must put 2 sticks and 2 gold ingot, and you have Golden Hoe in Minecraft. Okay, and that's all in this video. By the way, Golden Hoe is the most useless, like every golden gold item in Minecraft. So better is even stone items, but it's all what I wanted to tell you. So you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, let's go. And I will also invite you for my other tutorials for beginners and advanced Minecraft player. Thanks for watching, you may like, subscribe, see you next time, bye bye.